Hi friends, I am here with a new video and this time it is about the review of Telugu movie Mosagallu directed by Jeffrey Chin, starring Vishnu Manchu, Kajal Agarwal, Sunil Shetty, Navdeep and others. Guys, heard about these famous call center scammers who are responsible for stealing about 14 million US dollars? Mosagallu is based on this real life scam. For those who are not aware about the fraud, it must be a real shocker. Coming to the storyline, Arjun and Anu, the fraternal twins, having grown up in poverty, witness multiple fraud cases ever since their childhood days. Things don't change much for them as Anu becomes a victim of domestic violence and desperately seeks divorce from her husband, and Arjun, who is highly ambitious, works for a call center. Arjun, looking for that extra income, keeps selling data about his clients and gets noticed by his boss Vijay, who is able to see a big potential in him. When Vijay explains his plan to start their new business, which involves white collar crimes, Arjun is not excited and he in turn suggests an alternative plan. In the beginning, when they start their so called new business, things don't work, and at that point, Anu gives them ideas and strategies which works, and they start witnessing something new: money in gunny bags and tiffin boxes. Lifestyle changes, and the American office back in the US becomes alert, and after some time the American officer is able to force Arjun and company to stop these crimes. However, having seen a lot of money, Arjun wants to continue, and this time he comes up with a different plan. Meanwhile, we have this honest police officer who gets transferred all the time and discovers something about this massive fraud company. What was Arjun's first plan when he joins hands with Vijay? How did the American officer manages to stop their business? What is Arjun's successful plan B? How does Sunil Shetty, essaying the role of a honest police officer, deals with this case? What happens to the brother-sister duo mastermind behind this massive scam forms the rest of the story. The movie has got an interesting first half with the kind of plans that Arjun comes up with. I would say it is informative with all that stealing of data, dark web thing, and mobile burners. Also, we have some information about IRS and how much Americans care about the tax thing. Basically, Arjun and Anu are reflections of human psychology, how their personalities change when they suddenly become rich. There is ego, arrogance, and the manner in which greed goes ahead of them. The second half, which exposes the characters, is more gripping, especially the last half an hour of the movie. It also makes you think how this would have been possible with so many employees working for them and every single thing was openly done. But we have to believe as this is based on the real life scam. It is also scary as anybody could be the next victim of this digital world. Performance wise, both Vishnu Manchu and Kajal Agarwal steal the show. During the initial scenes, Vishnu Manchu perfectly fits into the character of this techie guy next door, and throughout the first half, he is very controlled. Once that money factor goes beyond certain limit, his personality changes, which is evident from the way he deals with his sister with all that ego and command. Keeping it natural to the core, various emotions have been superbly dealt by Vishnu Manchu. Kajal Agarwal starts off a bit slowly, but like her character, portrayal of Anu takes a big leap as the movie progresses. Her bossy nature, trying to control the multi-million dollar empire, and those expressions when Vijay speaks rudely to her, Arjun speaks rudely to her, she has given a commanding performance. Sunil Shetty is first rate as the honest cop dealing with the crime. Navdeep plays his part quite well. Friends, if you like this review, please hit on the subscriber button for more such reviews, and please provide your comments on the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.